Welcome back everybody to my channel where it's all about DIYs and fashion. This week I'm showing you guys how I did this DIY basic t-shirt. Basically because it's just a basic t-shirt that I think everybody should have in their closet. All you're going to need is thread, a sewing machine, scissors, and a basic t-shirt that you can copy the pattern from, and we can get on with the video. So first you're going to need the back of the shirt, the front of the shirt, and the two sleeves. And no, I did not cut the collar because I want to measure that by itself. So let's go. So you're going to take the back and then you're going to place the front wrong side up, and then you're going to pin the two shoulders together. And then I'm going to take it to the serger to sew those first. So here I managed to get the pin stuck right where the blade is at. Just my luck. So since the two shoulders are together, we're going to place the armhole in between the shoulders. So I like to start at the middle and just make my way down each side. Here you want to be very careful to make sure you're not bringing in any additional fabric, just so it don't have that bunched up look. Just a tip. And I'm going to be doing that to both of the sleeves. And so now that the sleeves are done, I'll be sewing down from the armpit all the way down the side seams. So I know my monitor is shaking or my video is shaking, and it's because my second oldest was underneath my tripod, thinking it was funny to like shake it or something, not knowing that would mess up mommy's quality of the video. So here's where I measured around the neck before I cut the fabric. So basically I cut the fabric around like 3 inches wide, and I folded and I pinned it on the raw edge of the neckline. Once the neckline is done, I am doing the bottom of the shirt, which is hemming the bottom, and I'm not going to fold it under. I really thought it was cool to add the neon thread on the bottom just to give it the accent that I want it to have. Here I'm going to be hemming my sleeves, and I'm just going to fold it under and just hem it regularly. And this is how it turned out, just a regular neon orange thread accent. And I'm just going to clean it up by clipping the excess thread that I still see. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye.